Namaste, hello, hi, welcome to Achievers News. Hirakud to release first flood water decision after June 1. Issues advisory. Sambalpur. Water from Hirakud reservoir will be released into Mahanadi after June 1. Informed the additional chief engineer, Hirakud head works and additional spillway at Burla in Sambalpur. Awareness message was issued by the Hirakud reservoir authorities in the connection on Monday. The water will be released anytime between June 1 and October 10, said the message. This is for information and necessary action of all concerned that in the ensuing monsoon, the flood water from Hirakud reservoir will be released into the river Mahanadi at any time during the period from June 1 to October 10. The message reached.